In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your photo look better using local contrast and clarity in Darktable. If you're a photography enthusiast looking to enhance your images and bring out their natural beauty, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your photo in the darkroom view. This is where all the magic happens in Darktable. Once your photo is loaded, you'll notice a variety of modules on the right panel, each designed to help you refine and enhance your image. Our focus today will be on the local contrast module. To get started, activate the local contrast module from the right panel. This tool helps you enhance the texture and depth in your image by adjusting contrast in specific areas rather than globally. Once activated, you can start tweaking the sliders for contrast, midtones, and shadows to bring out the details. Increasing the contrast will make the bright areas brighter and the dark areas darker, giving your image more definition. The midtone slider is particularly useful for adjusting the brightness of those areas that aren't quite dark or light, adding a nuanced depth that can make your photo pop. Meanwhile, the shadows slider helps in lifting or deepening the darker areas, which is especially useful for balancing the overall look of your photo. For an additional enhancement, consider activating the clarity module. This step is optional, but highly recommended if you want to add a global punch to your photo without affecting the colors too much. Clarity increases the contrast in the midtones, thus adding an overall sharpness to your photo that's both subtle and effective. It's a fantastic way to give your image a clean look, making details stand out more prominently. Now, with both local contrast and clarity in play, it's time to fine-tune the effect. You want your photo to look balanced, so don't be afraid to experiment with combining these two modules. Sometimes, less is more, and other times, you might need a bit more emphasis to achieve the desired effect. The goal is to find that sweet spot where your photo looks dynamic, yet natural. If you find that certain areas of your photo need more attention than others, you can use masks to apply these effects selectively. This is particularly useful if you want to highlight specific parts of your image or maintain the natural look of other areas. Masks give you precise control, allowing you to create a harmonious look while enhancing the features you consider most important. And that's how you make your photos look better, using local contrast and clarity in Darktable. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to accentuate the intricate details and vibrant energy of your images. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.